Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith, Chapter 17, Shloka 5 and 6. Those men who practice terrible austerities not enjoined by the scriptures, given to hypocrisy and egoism, impelled by the force of lust, attachment.
Chapter 17, Shloka 5. अशास्त्रविहितं घोरं तप्यन्ते ये तपोजनाः दम्भाहङ्कारसंयुक्ताः कामरागबलान्विताः.
Senselessly torturing all the elements in the body and me also, who dwells within the body. You may know these to be of demonical resolves.
Chapter 17, Shloka 6. कर्षयन्त शरीरस्थं बोधग्रामम् अचेतसः माञ्चैवान्तः शरीरस्थं तान् विद्यासुरनिश्चयान्.
Chapter 17, Shloka 5 and 6. That the spirit of devotion in men remaining the same, each will select according to the type of his Shraddha, his own altar of devotion, has been shown in the previous shloka. The wrong way of striving is described below. Intelligent control is tapas, not cruel self-torture. Over-enthusiasm can only produce physical exhaustion and inward fatigue. Physical restraints and self-denials are no doubt prescribed for limited period to rectify physical defects. The austerity must be scientific and as prescribed by the sacred books. Some people undertake austerities for show. They are lusty and attached to worldly objects. Even such people develop some inner dynamism, but their intentions being gross, they misuse their strength in wrong channels for their own self-destruction. They are the Asuric type. Such unintelligent austerities bring hardship to the physical frame and also the sacred and the divine Lord within. Life cannot express fully through such an individual. Extreme tapas is stupid and condemned. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.